Number 19. 3D printing services. 3D printing isn't just futuristic tech. It's a practical, hands-on way to create custom products that people actually need and want. From unique figurines to custom tools, prototypes, and hobby items, there's a growing market for personalized creations. Step 1. Invest in a beginner-friendly 3D printer. You don't need a $5,000 industrial model. A decent setup in the $200 to $500 range is enough to start experimenting and producing quality items. Step 2. Design your products using free or low-cost software. Start simple. Figurines, custom keychains, tools, or replacement parts. Experiment, prototype, and test your designs. The more unique your creations, the higher the perceived value. Step 3. Market your products to hobbyists, small businesses, or niche communities online. Social media, Etsy, or local craft markets are perfect starting points. Highlight your unique designs. Customers are willing to pay more for something they can't buy anywhere else. Pricing varies depending on complexity and size. Small figurines or tools can sell for $20, while larger, custom, or intricate items can go up to $200 or more. Focus on creating items that solve problems, look unique, or serve a hobbyist passion. That's where the real money is. With creativity, marketing, and consistency, 3D printing can transform from a small hobby into a profitable business, offering products people actually value while building your skills and reputation in a growing industry. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.